Most serious workplace accidents happen because risks were never properly assessed. Here are 7 risk assessment steps that prevent injuries and save lives at work. Step 1 is identifying hazards. Look for anything that can cause harm, including machines, chemicals, heights, and moving vehicles. Step 2 is deciding who might be harmed and how. Workers, visitors, and contractors can all be exposed to danger. Step 3 is evaluating the risk and deciding on control measures. This means deciding how likely the hazard is to cause harm and how serious the injury could be. Step 4 is implementing controls. This includes eliminating hazards, using engineering controls, and providing proper PPE. Step 5 is recording and communicating the findings. Everyone must know the risks and the safety controls in place. Step 6 is reviewing and updating the risk assessment. Step 7 is continuous monitoring and improvement. Learn safety before an accident teaches you. Subscribe for practical workplace safety.